Today I'm going to be showing you on how you can do the very basic troubleshooting steps on how to fix an unknown part battery on iPhone. So first things first is just head straight into your iPhone settings, and then from here you just have to scroll down and go into general. Now under general, just check out and go directly into software update. So the reason why we're here under the software update is because we'll have to check for available iOS highest version or the latest version depending on your phone model. This actually helps for you to be able to, keep those specific bugs, crashes, and errors that is happening on your mobile device. Again, those are just a troubleshooting step for you to be able to try it. And once you've updated your iOS to the latest version, what you want to do next is just to go back to your settings, head into battery, then go into battery health and charging. And from here, you should be able to see if that specific error message that is showing under your battery, that specific error message is showing unknown on your battery health is actually visible or not. So those are the things that you need to do for you to be able to fix a known part battery on iPhone.